I'm Lisa, and today I'm bringing you something a little bit different. Rather than doing a wig review, I am going to be bringing you a color comparison between a couple of different Ellen Wille brunettes. So the wig I have on my head is Ellen Wille Elite, and the color on this one is Chocolate Rooted. And I want to compare her to my United wig that's in Mocca Rooted. So first of all, let's just talk about this little Elite wig real quick. I do have a review. If you'll scan through my page, I reviewed Elite a couple months ago. I believe it was maybe in June, and I was wearing it in Dark Sand Mix, which was a dark blonde that I thought I was going to be comfortable wearing, and it turns out I wasn't. So I perused the internet once again and managed to find myself an Elite wig in Chocolate Rooted, and I had never tried this brunette before. I was a little bit fearful that it was going to be too dark, but it turns out it's a really nice spot-on brunette, really what I was looking for. But I also love the Mocca Rooted because it's also a great brunette that's just a bit lighter and a bit more auburn. So let's jump in and we'll talk about the color here, this Chocolate Rooted. So Chocolate Rooted is described as a medium to dark brown base with medium ginger brown highlights and dark brown roots. You can definitely see that dark brown rooting. Make sure you can see it there. But just a really, really pretty brunette. So I'll do a turn so you can see it from all the way around. Super cute cut on Elite. Okay, so then the Mocca Rooted in the United wig, which this is another wig that I have reviewed. If you want to see the full review for it, you can look below in my other videos and you'll find it down there. So Mocca Rooted is described as a light and medium auburn blended with a medium and light golden brown and a medium golden brown root. So the rooting on Mocca Rooted is definitely lighter. You can see those auburns, particularly when I hold it like that, but just a beautiful color. Very much what my eye sees is a reddish brown, just a really, really pretty reddish brown. So I'll hold them up next to each other here. So here's the rooting. My camera plays with the light a little bit, so. And then this is the right side. Left side. I have to keep peeking and make sure I don't hold the wig off the camera or anything. And then we'll look at the back. So really, really both a very pretty color. I have worn this United wig a lot. Really, really pretty wig. It's got a cute little flip on the end, and this color is just, both of the colors work with my skin tone. I was a little concerned that the Chocolate Rooted might be a little bit dark, but turns out it is not. So very, very pretty color on this Chocolate Rooted and on this Mocca Rooted. So let's take the two outside and we'll look at the colors out in the natural light. Okay, so here we are outside, me and Mocca Rooted. So you can see the color. I'm under the patio cover right now. You can see the two of them in the natural light. And we'll walk out here in the sun. So definitely you can see those, those auburns in that Mocca Rooted, and then the Chocolate Rooted is more the brunettes. And there is that gingery brown in it. Okay, let's go back inside. Okay, so we are back inside, and now I have the Mocca Rooted on my head. I just wanted to show her, since I showed, a good showing of the chocolate rooted on me at the beginning of the video. So you can see those auburns and those brunettes. And I hope you can see a little bit difference in my face, as far as how the color plays with my skin tone and that type thing. So I'll turn all the way around in Mocca Rooted. And I'll try to do a side-by-side video of the two next to each other, if I can make that work. So here's the chocolate rooted again. So there you go. Both very, very pretty brunettes from Ellen Wille. Check them out. They're available on several of their styles. I love their fibers. I love the way that they actually do the coloring in their wigs. I think that it looks very natural. They do a great job starting with the darker root and going down, making it look like you've been to the salon and had highlights and lowlights put in your brunette. So very, very nice. Both pieces, very nice wigs. Highly recommend them. So thank you so much for watching today. I'm glad you're here. I appreciate you watching my videos, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.